As I weave stories which I hope interest you, a thought occurred to my mind. We should also know some facts lost in the past. Do you know what India was like before exploitative British sneaked in to rule us? India was a leading industrial and manufacturing nation, accounting for 27% of world trade in 17th century. We were leaders in manufacturing textile goods, accounting for 25% of world textile trade. We were known for our fine work in metals, iron, gold, and silver. We exported pearls and gold. We were shipbuilders with maritime relations with all prospering hubs of the world. We were pioneers in steel industry, also making blades for wartime weapons. Art and architecture was our forte. We had a history of space research with scientists like Aryabhata, Varamahir, Brahmagupta, and many more in our history. We were known for our literary excellence. Needless to say, we were a thriving nation and population. British filched wealth, money, hope, aspiration from us. In terms of money, nearly $45 trillion and more was usurped from us. They filched India of hope. The manufacturers were pushed to farming, farmers were taxed aggressively. They left India in absolute poverty. Our literacy rate was 12% when they left us. From a golden bird, we were forced to struggle for existence. As Dadabhai Nairoji said, the exploitative nature of British rule was bleeding India white. Let no Britisher ever look down on us for color and race. They robbed us when we could have excelled and led. These are facts we should know. Nothing political is intended here.